Welcome back everyone, Mudford here. I'm out in the shop working on this new to me Honda Rancher 400 utility quad that I got. I picked this quad up for a number of reasons. It really fit the bill. Not really going to get into that tonight, but anyway, it came with some brand new tires and they weren't mounted. The tires on it were pretty bald. I got an extra set of wheels too. So I'm just going to show you a little trick that I found for changing these ATV tires. These old ones like this, they really are soft sidewalled and it's really hard to get the bead broken on them. So this is kind of something I picked up along the way. Just for reference, right now I have 3 race quads. This is my daughter's race quad. I've got my race quad, my son's race quad, 2 utility quads, and a parts quad. So I have 6 quads. Not all of them run right now, but I'm always working on them. And this is a little tip I found because I'm changing tires quite a bit. So I've just got a Harbor Freight 20-ton press here, and I had some friends make me this. And it fits right in pretty good, especially on a 4-wheeler tire. The problem is these beads are soft and they really stick to the rims. So as I'm tightening this down, what'll happen is it'll just kind of want to push back and it'll slip off the inside edge of the tire here, and then it won't pop it off the bead. So what I do is I just put a ratchet strap around the tire like this, and once I get under the rim like this a little bit, what I'll do is I will tighten this ratchet strap up as much as I can, and this doesn't let it slip out as easy. It probably still will, maybe the first time, but what'll happen is I'll get it off the rim just a little bit, and I'll be able to start out with it in there a little better, and then I'll be able to get it tight and get it to pop right off. And if that doesn't work, what you can do is turn it like 90 degrees and try again. Once you get it off a little bit off the lip, try another spot and that'll help you. So this one is sliding already. I got a little bit of a gap in there. We'll see if it makes it or not, or if it rolls. Okay, it's working quite a bit. It's got it most of the way off. So I couldn't quite get it on the first bite. So now you can see it's in there good. And it should. Okay, I got it on the second try. So that makes a big difference with this tool and the ratchet strap holding it in place. So hopefully you can figure out something like this that'll help you out. This didn't cost me much, just some scrap metal basically. I'll show you what this is. So this is the tool, and it actually goes on an angle to help it slide under the bead easier. And then just a ratchet strap in some of the adjustment holes on the press, and it works great to get your stubborn tire beads broken. Thanks for watching.